welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and today I'm going to talk about SOBA or SOBA blood test can detect Alzheimer's before symptoms emerge according to study. Research has shown that the seeds of Alzheimer's are planted years, even decades earlier, long before the cognitive impairments surface that make a diagnosis possible. Those seeds are amyloid beta proteins that misfold and clump together, forming small aggregates called oligomers. A team led by researchers at the University of Washington has developed a lab test that can measure levels of amyloid beta oligomers in blood samples. SOBA or SOBA, which stands for Soluble Oligomer Binding Assay, exploits a unique property of the toxic oligomers. When misfolded amyloid beta proteins begin to clump into oligomers, they form a structure known as an alpha sheet. Now, alpha sheets are not ordinarily found in nature, and past research by the team showed that alpha sheets tend to bind to other alpha sheets. At the heart of SOBA is a synthetic alpha sheet designed by the team that can bind to oligomers in samples of either cerebrospinal fluid or blood. The test then uses standard methods to confirm that the oligomers attached to the test surface are made up of amyloid beta proteins. The team tested SOBA on blood samples from 310 research subjects who had previously made their blood samples and some of the medical records available for Alzheimer's research. At the time of the blood samples had been taken, the subjects were recorded as having no signs of cognitive impairment, mild cognitive impairment, Alzheimer's disease, or another form of dementia. SOBA detected oligomers in the blood of individuals with mild cognitive impairment and moderate to severe Alzheimer's. In 53 cases, the research subjects' diagnosis of Alzheimer's was verified after death by autopsy, and the blood samples of 52 of them, which had been taken years before their deaths, contained toxic oligomers. SOBA also detected oligomers in those members of the control group who, records show, later developed mild cognitive impairment. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.